Hello everyone, welcome to my strategy analysis. Presentation focus on Mitsubishi Motors Corporation. I will analyze the company competitive advantage and how it can be leveraged to them to improve its global market position. First, I have the introduction. My name is Vidom Soli, and today I'm presenting my analysis for global strategy management. My focus company is Mitsubishi Motor Corporation, or MCC, which operate in the automobile manufacturing sector. The goal of this presentation is to critically evaluate MCC competitive advantage using well-established strategy frameworks. Competitive advantage refers to the unique factors that allow company to outperform its rival and deliver superior value to customers. In the third slide, we have my structure. Here's a quick look at my structure of my presentation. We will begin with an overview of AMCC backgrounds, followed by an internal analysis of its sources and completeness. Then I will apply VIRO and value chain analysis to understand the internal strength. Next, we will examine industry relation, external factors like Pestles and Porter's five force, and conclude with the strategy positioning via SWOT and Porter's generic strategies. And company background, Mitsubishi Motors was founded in 1970 and is headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, with about 30,000 employees and a revenue of 2.5 trillion in 2023. It's operated in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. MCC is best known for SUVs, electric vehicles, and plug-in hybrids. It is a key player in the Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi lines, which greatly influence strategy of operations. Um, their mission is to drive innovation and sustainability, while their value emphasize reliability and environmental responsibilities. Mitsubishi is known for a strong hybrid and EV technology, especially their plug-in hybrid SUV, the Outlander or PHEV. Their factories in Thailand and Indonesia helps keep costs low because they have low cost of labor market. Thanks to airlines, they save platforms and technology which improve efficiency. These are their key strengths that help them to stay competitive in markets like Southeast Asia. So let's look at VRO framework. First, Mitsubishi plug-in hybrid technology aligns resources are definitely valuable. They reduce emission and help lower production cost. These are big advantages in today's market, especially as government push for cleaner transport. Are they rare? To some extent, while other companies have EVs, Mitsubishi long-term collaboration with Nissan and Renault give it access to shared technology and platform. That's not that all drivers can replicate. For imitability, their history, technical integration, and platform sharing model are not easy to copy. New entrants or even older companies will need years to create that level of series. And finally, Mitsubishi is organized. They have lean production models and strategic partnership that support this competitiveness. These advantages aren't just helpful, they are sustainable, especially if Mitsubishi continues to innovate and invest in EV and hybrid technology. It also means they are better equipped to deal with stricter environmental laws and shifting consumer preferences globally. The value chain is how a company creates and delivers value. Mitsubishi it starts with an inbound supply chain that benefits from alliance with Nissan and Renault. This means shared supplies and reduced costs on key components like batteries and drivetrains. In operation, Mitsubishi factories in Japan, Thailand, and Indonesia are very efficient. Thailand, in particular, is known as a hub of car production. This plant helps Mitsubishi maintain strong quality while keeping price competitive. On the boundary side, their strong dealer and partner network help distribute vehicles across Asia and Europe. For marketing, they focus on promoting affordable and green vehicles, especially SUVs and hybrid. They support activities such as R&D are also integrated with airlines. This said, R&D reduce cost and speed up innovation. Altogether, Mitsubishi value chain helps to compete strong in developing markets where customers want reliable, affordable, and low-emission vehicles. MCC strong relationship with Renault and Nissan long-term dealers and government contract, especially for plug-in hybrid, help it maintain a competitive edge. This tie enhance innovation speed, reduce cost, and increase market access. This series is especially powerful in Asia. Political trade agreements and EU regulation impact. MCC, EV subsidies, and inflation are key economic factors. Social consumers prefer sustainable vehicles. Technology and MCC must keep pace with EV and autonomous tech. Environmental emission mandates support their hybrid strategy. MCC product focus aligns with these macro trends. Buyer power is high due to the many choices. Supplier is moderate, offset by alliance scale. Substitute like Tesla EV are a real threat. Entry barriers protect MCC from a new rivals, but the competition is fierce. MCC leverage is takes pricing and partnership to reduce vulnerability. MCC follows a differentiated strategy targeting developing markets with affordable eco-friendly SUVs and PHEVs. This matches both the pricing expectation and environmental concern in Asian countries, giving them a strategy edge. Let's finish the analysis with a full SWOT breakdown. Mitsubishi's strengths are clear: a strong partnership through Renault, Nissan. Mitsubishi Alliance proven plug-in hybrid tech and cost-effective, efficient production in Southeast Asia. This make competitive in key market, but also has weakness. Its brand is not very strong in US or UE and is often not seen as a premium brand globally. This affects consumer perception. There are big opportunity too. The EV market is growing fast. Mitsubishi can take advantage of subsidies, especially in Asian countries where affordable green cars are in demand. They could also expand further into Europe and by working with local dealership. Threat include fierce global competition both from legacy company and EV brands like Tesla, BYD, and other regulation are getting tighter, especially in Europe. Mitsubishi should respond by building its brand through marketing from UE partnership and continuing to invest in autonomous and EV tech. Their low-cost hybrid models give a solid starting point. In conclusion, MCC competitive advantage comes from its alliance network, PHEV technology, and production efficiency. To enhance this, MCC should invest in brand building into new markets, try to get connection with local dealers, and do more research on tech base. And the alliance can be the launchpad from strong global positioning. Um, Thank you for watching. Here are my references, including academic sources. I have used data from MCC annual report, PCW, Statista, and Reuters, and my sources like Porters and Barner. Thank you for watching.